Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I want to show you this Endstop switch from REIFENG. So we were looking for some Endstop or limit switches for a CNC laser cutter that we are working on, but you could use these for other things too, like 3D printers or other applications, and it works really well. So you get a set of 10 for a very reasonable price, and these are great because they have this really nice and neat wiring harness. The connections are very well done, they work great, and it's easy to plug it in and set it up. So we are really easily able to add an Endstop to our machine, and that helps with the homing feature on the product. So if you're looking to upgrade a variety of different appliances with an Endstop switch, or maybe yours is broken, then this is a really good replacement part or upgrading part. Very easy to install, really high quality. It has a current rating of 2 amps and voltage of 300 volts operating power. And it's just a really great little product if you are looking for this particular type of item. So I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.